chimpanzees. Today I'm so happy. And you know why? Because I'm in the tropical woods of Africa to see you or your future relative because I'm teaching you on chimpanzees. Get entering! Chimpanzees live in the tropical forests and woodland savannas of West and Central Africa. Chimpanzees are from hominid family, also known as great apes. They consist of gorillas, orangutan, and even humans. I'm not a human, but a computer graphical series. Like us, even chimpanzees live in a community because they are our future relatives. These communities are made of somewhere around 15 to 80 members led by a bossy alpha male who controls the community and maintains the law of the apes. Chimpanzees are experts at grooming. They spend a lot of time running their fingers through each other's hair to remove dirt, dead skin, and annoying parasites out of their head. Grooming is a super important activity for these amazing creatures. They not only be clean with that process but also builds friendship bonds. Well, that's one thing humans don't have common with chimpanzees. You wouldn't be misled by the monkey business, would you? Well, after humans, chimpanzees are the smartest creature on the earth. They have developed impressive ways of communicating with each other by using numerous vocalization, different gestures, and facial expressions too, such as hoots, grunts, and screams. Not only that, they can play with objects and toys, they can learn words, and even seem to mourn to the deaths of their loved ones. These smart apes are one of the few animals that use tools to help them acquire food and get things done. Cracking nuts with rocks, pulling out insects from nests and logs with sticks. Rainy days, big leaves like banana leaves. Now won't you believe me that they are the smartest creature after humans, don't you? Fact time! Did you know that the DNA of the chimps and the humans are 98.9% same? So you understand how closely we are. Cut the before two words are told and add this in its place. So that's how closely related the chimpanzees and you are. That's right. As a result, you share many traits with them, such as big toes, thumbs, expressive ways, and hands that can grasp. And similarly, chimps laugh while playing, hug to show affection, and walk upright. So we are winding up our section. So in conclusion, I have to say a thing. There has been a change in our channel since some time. As 2 times channel name changing, it was because Come and Learn there was already a channel. Then Magic Learning, that was good. But then I thought, what if you couldn't find my channel? Because then magic videos will appear. So I changed to Mr. Yellow Beard. and I tried with other devices and the channel appears in the front. And well, this video was late because I was busy with my studies. See you on next video, which is a natural disaster. It is on the surface of our earth. Well, I know you got it. Earthquake.